Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country. Another cracking day, and we're here to show you an extra special home. So let's go and have a look. So, a warm welcome inside Keeper's Cottage. And we walk through the entrance hall into the inner hall here, which, as you can see, is a very spacious area. Over recent years, the owners have extended the property on this side, which incorporates what is now a superb garden room. And as you can see, it really does focus on the wonderful aspect overlooking the front garden. And you can relax in here in total comfort, warmed by the Arga branded powerful wood burning stove, which you can see here. Now, what really does epitomise modern living is open, social, interactive accommodation, and being able to glide naturally from that wonderful garden space into this kitchen, which is of very high quality. And the main reception room is the lounge, which you can see here being dual aspect, with a standout feature being the fireplace with its lovely oak lintel, brick, and once again inset on that slate hearth, we've got a wood burning stove really kicking out the warmth. So here we are on the first floor. And there's 4 bedrooms up here. Let's have a look at the magnificent main bedroom, because as you can see, it's washed with natural sunlight. It's a good size, and it also has the benefit of double doors which open up onto the wonderful balcony. And this is east facing, so you get the sun coming in here early in the morning. How about being able to wake up and enjoy a nice drink as the day begins? The highly insulated home has the benefit of UPVC double glazing, providing it with a high energy performance rating. Keeper's Cottage is located in a tucked away location, yet is within approximately 20 to 25 minute drive of the rugged North Cornish coastline and coastal resort of Bude. To the south, within 20 minutes, the town of Launceston can be reached, which lies alongside the A30 dual carriageway, providing excellent access both east and west. There's many accesses from the property out to the garden, and my favourite is this one because you open up onto this wonderful large patio, south facing, view of the garden, just being able to sit out here, enjoy a drink or a meal and take in the beautiful environment. There's plenty of level spaces. There's also a sweeping drive, providing plenty of off-road parking with a double carport and adjacent workshop. The gardens are simply enchanting. The owners have spent a lot of time over the last 17 years since living here, developing, creating this wonderful space of abundance of colour with shrubs, bushes, perennials and specimen trees. So with all that hard work, they've also factored in plenty of areas in which to sit and relax and enjoy and take a well-earned break from all of that gardening. There are just under 3 acres of beautifully manicured gardens and grounds. There are many additional features within the garden, including this, a super wooden cabin. And at the bottom of the garden, we have a stream border, which really highlights the enriched wildlife habitat that's naturally here. There's lots of places to explore and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Of course, living in a location like this also embraces life and animal life. So for those that are perhaps looking to keep some poultry, maybe a goat or a donkey, and other forms of young stock, then this land is perfect for that purpose. It really is. There's an array of outbuildings, sheds, and indeed a stable block for my friend here to be able to relax as well. And what I also love about this home is it champions sustainability. We've got PV solar panels selling out to the national grid at a very healthy tariff. We've got a borehole for water and a septic tank for sewage. So as a result, the ongoing fixed utility costs of this home are very negligible. And one of the most innovative parts is the ground source heat pump, which warms the home throughout. So if you're looking for a lifestyle, a wonderful environment, beautiful gardens, and we'd love to tell you more about this home and this lifestyle, please contact Fine & Country on 01566 771919. Thank you.